Hey guys, when we buy our new phone, it's really working so fast and smoothly. Am I right? Yes, I'm obviously right. But few days later, when we install our phone, a lot of apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, etc. blah blah blah, then our phone going so slow. In this time, we don't know what we need to do, and today I gonna show you how to make your phone so fast and smoothly. So let's get started our video. Hey guys, welcome back, and now I am showing you how to make your phone or a smartphone so fast. So let's get started our video and watching step by step. Don't skip, okay? At first, tap on your settings option. Okay, after that your open your settings option, go to your my device, that means my device. Okay, then go to all space. Look at this is all of space. Tap on all space. Okay, then look at this here, MIUI version. MIUI version, tap on MIUI version 4 or 5 times. Then look at this, you are now a developer. Your developer option is enabled now. Then let's back. Okay, then again tap on your settings option and scroll down. After that you get additional settings. Look at this is additional settings. Tap on your additional settings and scroll down. Look at this, there have developer option. Tap on your developer option. Okay, then scroll down, scroll down and scroll down again and again. Scroll down, sorry, scroll up. Look at this, there have, look at this, you get this option. Look at this, Windows animation scale. Windows animation scale. Tap it and make your animation scale on X and make it animation off. And your next option, transition animation scale. Tap it and make it off. And again, animation duration scale. Tap it and make it off. Right? After that, let's back. Look at this, your phone now going so fast. Look at this, tap anything, working so fast, so fast, so fast. Look at this again, anything, if you tap, look at this how fast it's working. Look at this, it's really working so fast. So in this way you can make your mobile phone or a smartphone or Android phone, any phone, make it fast. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and if you get more benefit from watching my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.